Okay, we've gotten the real basic background of what LaunchADS is. Let's begin setting up your information about yourself, about your business, about what you want to advertise. So we're going to do that. At the top here, we have these tabs. We're going to click on brand context, and this is where we're going to begin putting information about ourselves in. One of the nice things is you can go right here and put in your URL. This is optional, but if you do that, LaunchADS will go grab a bunch of stuff for you. So let's do that, and let's click generate with the button over on the right hand side. In this case, LaunchADS went out and it found one product description. Join the Business Builder Success Community for savings bonuses aimed at elevating your business in 2025, and so on. So it grabbed that off of my site. It also gave me the brand name of Business Builders. We could put our offer in here that's special, but we're just beginning to set things up. I'm going to change it to 001647, which is the primary color dark, and the secondary color would be, I'm just putting hex codes in here so we have two different colors for it to work with when we're starting to create graphics. I could put my logo in here. You can just click add logo, find it on your hard drive and open it and add it as your brand logo. And so that's the first part. The second tab at the top here is instructions. So we have the ability to sort of set our own tone. LaunchADS is writing our copy. So if you're like me, you're not kind of a flashy salesperson, you don't want flashy, but wait, there's more kind of language necessarily in your ad copy, although that does sell. But maybe you want to tone it down, or you want to tone it up, you want to crank it up. You're very flashy. So you have this ability to go into the instructions here, and we have these default settings. We can erase them and start writing our own, or we can just leave them in and just change something. It says maintain formal tone to ensure credibility. I could say easygoing tone. You can just change some of the words if you want to, but you can delete, add, you can put your target audience in. Let's go down here to the bottom, and we're just going to say target audience is, we'll say 45 to 65-year-old entre focused on solopreneurs. So you can type something in specifically, and if you've used ChatGPT, or if you've already used some sort of a tool that has clarified what your writing style is, you can grab that and put it in here. So this is going to be used when it's creating the ad copy so it sounds like you. And then the third tab up here is media, and this would be a place where if you have graphics, if you have images that are very specific to your brand. If you have a store, you might have pictures of the store. If you're a coach, you might have images of your products, whatever it is. But this is where you would just go to generate or select up to 10 images and videos, and then you can add them to your media. And this will be then available to you to use later. Let's just go grab one image, and I'm going to go upload. We're going to come back and look at all of these buttons in a bit, but I'm going to just go grab one image, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to grab another, just a logo image. You'll see once I upload it, I can click on it, and you see it showed up over here, and I can click the X and then add to my media. You can add up to 10 images at a time or up to 10 videos at a time. Again, this becomes your stored information that you can use in ads as you see fit. And that is how you set up your brand, your business connection to LaunchADS so that you can begin running an ad. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to connect LaunchADS to your actual advertising platform. And we're going to use Meta as our example, but it's going to be very similar for all of the platforms. So that'll be in the next video.